Welcome to ORME Live Events. Let's walk you through the process of creating your first live event. Start by heading to Internal Live Events and click on the Create Event button. Now, fill in the necessary details, give your event a title, choose a department or category, and set the date and time. Here's where you assign a host. Just enter their email ID. But remember, the host's email must already be registered as a user. To register a host, visit ormelive.com. Simply log in using your phone number, verify with the OTP, and enter the first name, last name, and the email that will be used in the live event. Once that's done, return to the Manage portal. Now enter the host's email ID and click Next. You'll be asked to upload a banner. You can either use your own or select a sample banner. Next, add products to your event. Search by SKU or product title, and add what you need. Once everything is set, click on Create Event. Your event is now created. Click Go to Event to view it. Now let's talk about going live. If you want to go live using your desktop, start by clicking on Control Room. Here, you can preview your event without going live immediately. You can change the orientation of the stream by selecting either Landscape or Portrait. To turn off your camera or mic, simply click the camera or mic icons. When you're ready to start, click the Go Live button. If you want to go live from your mobile device, open the ORME app. Log in using the same credentials that were used to add the host to the event. Once logged in, tap on the plus sign and navigate to the Live Event tab. Here, you'll see the scheduled event. Click on the event. Once you're ready, tap on the Go Live button. For View Comments, click on Comments. Click on Products to view linked products.